the first intro, like everything you did to set the book up was really good. And you talked about your mom calling you, and that was actually deep. So I want you to address that more, just how your mom was the motivation for
Absolutely,
you writing the book.
absolutely, bro. So, uh, I'm the oldest boy. I'm the oldest child and the only boy. I'm the only son. Right? It's three of us.
Okay.
So I have two younger sisters. In 2012, my sisters were still in and out the house, living with moms. Right? In and out. Sometimes they leave for a year or two, come back for a year or two. Both dead, both gone, sort of thing. My mom was the type of mom that brought in other young ladies, right? She was the Kool-Aid mom, right? So
Okay.
um, let me vent real quick. My mother was a better friend and confidant to my little sisters. When I was growing James, when I was growing up with Miss Sharon didn't play no games. I couldn't go nowhere, couldn't talk to nobody, so I had to go places and talk to people and still keep her happy, right? I learned how to play the game a little bit, but her and my sisters developed this phenomenal bond, bro, when I moved on and I went to college. And so in the middle of that space and her taking in my sister's friends and them being really close and intimate and sharing and talking and connecting, she would give them her wisdom. Don't do
Okay.
this, do more of this, blah, blah, blah. And my sisters wouldn't like, my mom felt like they didn't always listen. It's like we would cry about things, we would pray about things, we would talk about things, we would fuss about things, we would argue about things, and it's the same cycles over and over again. And she felt like not only my sisters were experiencing this, but the friends, the little girls. So she was like, So one day she called me, Jay. She was pissed off. She was done. She was just tired of it. She all up here, moms get squeaky and she all up at the top of her throat talking. And her point was, who's gonna break the cycle? And she said these words, bro. She said, somebody just needs to get off the cycle and run. And when she said that, bro, I kind of had like the visual of like a person on a stationary exercise bike, and they pumping, they working, they sweating, they crying, they trying, they going, they doing all of this stuff, and they not going nowhere, right? They not making it happen. They not making moves. You know what I mean? In real life, like the bike is stuck, it's bolted to the ground, and then they get off the bike and they use that same energy, that same sweat, that same vigor, them same tears, that same effort, and they take off, right? And they
Yes.
go. And now I saw that, bro, as clear as the walls as if I saw it as clear as day, man. And
I can tell because just the way you, just the